Hello friends, I am Champion Mahipal. Today we are going to learn about switch statements in C language. Okay, so first of all the question arises, what is switch statement? This switch statements allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. Okay, means let us take an example. We take input of a fruit from the user and we want to check is user have entered apple, mango, then we can check that value using this. Okay, so what is the syntax for this? Okay, switch keyword we use, then the expression is what we have taken input a fruit, so we will give fruit here. Okay, then case is also a keyword. In this we write the label means the value from which we need to equate, the value from which we want to test the expression. Okay, if the value comes true, that is it matches this, then the statement will execute. Okay, if it doesn't match, then it will go to level 2 and check. If matches, then statement will be executed. After the execution of the statement, the break statement is used. If we don't use break statement, then in case of level, in case when the level 1 comes true, it will execute all the statement of further levels. There is one more case. In case when no label comes true, no case matches, then what it will do? It will execute default statements. In last we write default so that default statements can be executed. Okay, so now let us take a look at example for this. Here I have take value is equal to 4. Okay, switch value, it will check the value, it will compare the value is an integer. Case 1, when is value equal to 1? No, it is not equal to 1. 2, no, it is 3, no. So it will come to default and print value is other than 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let us see the output. Yes, value is other than 1, 2, 3. Now let us check 1. Okay, do value is 1. So now let us see this by removing break statement, what it will do. Here value is 1, value is 2, value is 3, value is other than 1, 2, 3. It is not breaking the switch. That is why we have used break statement. Okay, thank you very much.